Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Prius maintenance light. This indicator is a helpful reminder for routine services, such as an oil change, ensuring your vehicle remains in top condition. If you have recently completed your car's maintenance, you can easily turn off this light yourself. We will walk through two common methods, making the process straightforward and quick for you. Let's get started and get that light off your dashboard. For Prius models with a traditional key ignition, this method is for you. First, insert your key and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, press the ODO or trip button until your odometer reading is visible. Now, turn the ignition completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold the ODO or trip button. While still holding it, turn the ignition back to the on position. Keep holding until you see dashes disappear, then release. If your Prius has a convenient push-button start, follow these steps. Ensure your foot is off the brake, then press the power button 2 times to activate the electronics. Use the ODO or trip button to cycle the display until the main odometer reading appears. Now, press the power button 1 time to turn the vehicle completely off. With the car off, press and hold the ODO or trip button. While holding, press the power button 2 times again. Continue holding until the dashes disappear, then release. Remember, the maintenance required light is simply a reminder for routine service, not a warning of a serious issue. It is crucial to ensure that your vehicle's actual maintenance, like an oil change, has been completed before you reset the light. If you encounter any difficulties or have a unique dashboard setup, always refer to your Toyota Prius owner's manual for the most accurate and specific instructions for your particular model.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.